Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you guys another amazing make money online video. So I'm just going to switch over to my computer and show you guys step by step how to get started with this strategy. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get started making money online with Etsy dropshipping. So the strategy that we are going to be using for this training today is none other than print on demand dropshipping. This is the strategy we're going to be using to dropship products on Etsy. So print on demand dropshipping, for those of you guys who are not familiar with the process, is a fulfillment process whereby the supplier ships the products to your customers after they've purchased from you. This means you get to make a sale, you get to collect the money from your customers before you pay the vendor, which is just amazing because think about it, right? When you think about the old school way of retail and how it works, retail arbitrage, you need to go out there and find a wholesale vendor who sells products in bulk and then buy that inventory in bulk and then go out there and mark up the price times 3 times 4 and then hopefully get a few people to buy the products and then make a profit. That's how retail works in a nutshell. With dropshipping, however, it's pretty much like reverse retail. You're not buying anything in bulk. Of course, you're probably going to order a few samples, which I strongly recommend, so you know what the quality of the products look like. And then you're going to be partnering up with suppliers out here who are basically called dropshipping suppliers, right? Every time a customer buys your product on your website, the suppliers are going to ship the products directly to your customer, right? Which means you're only paying the vendors after the customer has purchased from you. You're essentially using your customers' money to pay your vendors and then keep your profit. It's literally a zero risk business model. Now, the difference between print on demand dropshipping and the normal dropshipping that everybody talks about is the fact that with print on demand, you actually get to sell your own unique designs, okay? You can actually sell your own unique designs that you've created or that you've hired a designer to create for you. And that's the beauty about the strategy, because you can actually stand out from the crowd. You're not out here trying to sell mass produced products from China that everybody else can buy on Shein, on Amazon, and things of that nature. And again, this is a strategy, like I mentioned, that I personally use right now for my brand Mom's Closet. And like I said, I've been doing dropshipping for the longest time. I've tried AliExpress, I've done the Chinese vendors, but this is by far the best strategy for dropshipping, especially in this day and age. This is the best way to build your own unique brand and stand out from the crowd. As you can see on the website, what I've got here is things like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, that actually been sold with my own unique designs on them. I'm able to sell my own unique designs on not just t-shirts. I'm able to sell them on things like hoodies and sweatshirts. I'm able to sell them on things like tumblers as well, as you can see right here. And this is something that you can absolutely do as well. Just get your own designs, put them in your own products and have them listed for sale on your website. Now, of course, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do this on Etsy. You don't need to do this on your actual website if you're just getting started, but I'll show you guys how you can do this using the Etsy platform. Since we're talking all about Etsy in this training video, okay? I'm probably going to do another video showing you guys how you can actually do this on your own Shopify store, okay? Now, to get started with the strategy, the first thing that you want to do is you want to find an Etsy dropshipping supplier to source your products from. So the best platform to find Etsy dropshipping suppliers is none other than printful.com. Now, I'm going to leave a link below this video in the description field. Feel free to sign up for your free account via that link, okay? So it's free to join, completely free, guys. Sign up via the link below in the description field. Now, once you register with Printful, you will be able to log into your dashboard similar to this, and you'll be able to browse through all the catalog of different products that they have available for sale. Now, Printful is a platform that actually offers you blank canvas. So basically, you're getting access to blank t-shirts, blank hoodies, blank, caps, blank sweatshirts, basically blank products that you can now add your own unique designs to, guys. This is really, really powerful because now you can actually go out there and sell your own unique designs on merch. And this is what actually helps you stand out from everybody else out here who's trying to sell the exact same thing from Shein, AliExpress, Alibaba, CJ dropshipping, all these dropshipping platforms that basically produce mass products. You are going to be competing with them if you're out here trying to sell the exact same product as, the vendors. So now you don't have to worry about oversaturation in the market of trying to sell and compete with brands that are out here selling the exact same thing that you as a newbie is trying to sell. How do you actually get your own designs? Like, what you're seeing right here, how do I actually go to get those designs added to my merch, right? Now, to do that, you want to use a platform called Creative Fabrica, guys. You can get started with this platform for less than $4 a month. Again, I'll leave a link below this video in the description field. Really amazing investment for those of you guys who are serious about taking your business to the next level. Like $3.99 is literally nothing in comparison to how much value you are getting from this platform. So Creative Fabrica is basically a platform that offers you with done for you designs. This is a platform that designers are actually congregated in. They are creating and selling their designs, and you are now able to legally use their designs on your merch, your sweatshirts, your hoodies, your mugs. You want to do yourself the favor, guys, and just invest in a platform that already has amazing professional designs. As you can see, there's over 9 million graphic designs, and you are going to gain unlimited access to that for just $3.99 per month. Okay, so do check out the link below this video, guys, and sign up for your account. Okay, so when it comes to print on demand, I always recommend that you go for a niche that is based on people's interests. So it can be something that people love, like golfing, yoga, because now you can attract, golf lovers, yoga lovers, wine lovers, right? Motherhood, like in the case of Mom's Closet, I'm targeting moms, so it's all around motherhood, right? And things that moms resonate with. So I'll just come here, I'll just do mama as an example. You can search this based on anything. It could be self-improvement, self-care, self-love, just whatever your niche is, but just make sure it's based around an interest that, people are essentially passionate about. Okay, so let's do mama, and then I'll just find some designs just to show you guys how easy this is. As you can see right here, it's brought up a ton of different designs that, have already been created in the platform that I can just download now because I am a member, of course. And then I can add them to my own t-shirts, my hoodies, my sweatshirts. I don't have to go through the stress of trying to create a design from scratch myself, which can take me a lot of time. And it's also going to cost you a lot of money if you're out here trying to sell poor quality looking designs because you were trying to be cheap and do things yourself. Okay, I've made that mistake myself. I went on Canva, I tried to do some designs on Canva, and it looked very bad. The quality was bad, and I was out here trying to sell it and I wasn't making any money. And then I upgraded to Creative Fabrica, guys, and started getting some amazing results because I'm actually selling high quality designs that attract people to want to buy the product. Now, let's say I wanted to sell a design like this on my t-shirt, my sweatshirts, my hoodies, my mugs, my hats. I can just go ahead. As you can see, it's commercial and full print on demand usage allowed, which means I have full rights to actually use these designs on my products. If I just go on and I download that product, guys, okay, that's going to download the file, the raw file, to my computer. So now I have a design ready to go. The next thing I would do is I'll come on to Printful and I'll find a product to actually add that design to. So let's go to hoodies. I'll use hoodies as an example here. And let's say I wanted to sell a hoodie with that design on it. Okay. So this is where we're going to be creating our designs and actually adding our designs to the merch. And you can do this with anything that you want to sell. Okay, so now I have my designs obviously uploaded here. So if I just do apply, I'm going to start with the black one since we're kind of designing on a white kind of hoodie. So anything that's kind of brighter is better to have like a dark kind of design on it so it pops out more. Position that in a way that makes sense and always make sure it's within that print area there as well. Okay. And then I can just go to product here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select other colors. As you can see, we can choose pink, which means we can now go out there and sell a nice pink Mama Bear hoodie. We can do, tan. Is it tan or is it tan? Yeah, we call it tan here. So any other bright colors that kind of catch and pop. We can even add that to a light blue as well. You can see right here, we've got some amazing products that we can sell, and you can come here and select all the different sizes that you want to sell as well. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll save the product template to my templates because now I can go back and actually add those products to my website. Now that we have products to sell, the next thing that we want to do is create an Etsy seller account. So now we have our designs ready to go. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and register for your free Etsy store. This is where we are going to be listing those products for sale. So to do that, you want to go to the Etsy website. Again, you can just do a quick Google search, guys. You can just do a quick Google search, guys, and it will bring you to this platform. Now, if you go to sign in, right, it will give you the option to register for a new account. If you don't already have an account, you can just key in an email address, that is valid, your first name, your last name, and then tick that box and then register. And then that should create your Etsy store where you can now start selling your designs from Printful. Now you're registered with an Etsy seller account. The next thing you want to do now is you want to integrate your Etsy store with your Printful account. So now we have our Etsy store set up. The next thing you want to do is you want to connect your Printful store to your Etsy account. So to integrate your Printful store with your Etsy account, you want to go to stores. Now, when you go to the store section, you will see an option here to choose a platform. As you can see, Printful actually integrates with a ton of different e-commerce platforms out there, which is just amazing. You can integrate your Printful store with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, So many different platforms out there. So if we just go to choose platform, as you can see, there's a ton of platforms. Even Walmart, guys, like it's crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and connect with our Etsy store. So if you just click on connect, and it's a very short video here just showing you how to, connect your Etsy store to your Printful account. But honestly, it's super, super straightforward. If I just go ahead and I just click connect to Etsy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grant access. Okay, and a few moments later, we have our Printful store integrated with our Etsy account. As you can see, right now, everything is going to be synced to our Etsy store. So every time somebody comes on Etsy and purchases that product, Printful is going to be notified, and they will essentially go out and, process the orders, package it, and ship it out directly to my customers. I don't have to do nothing moving forward. So if I just go ahead and I add a product, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find a product from my product template. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go with this one. I'll just click on that product because it's already saved in my product templates, and it's just easier for me to add it directly to my Etsy store from here. So if I just proceed to mockups, so once you've selected the product, guys, the image, you can go now to continue, and then here you can put a product description. I'm going to put here as Mama Bear hoodie for women. Again, you want to be using keywords that your target audience are potentially searching for on the internet. So I know hoodie for women is something that someone's always going to be looking for. You can even make it as unique as having something like a color there, like pink hoodie for women, black hoodie for women. Then I'll just go ahead and I'll click on continue. As you can see, this is the cost price. Printful price is the cost price you're going to be paying Printful to actually fulfill and ship out the product. So that's actually the cost of sourcing that product from Printful. The retail price is what you're going to be selling the product to your customers for. So this always has to be higher than your cost price, because if you're selling something for 19 bucks and you're paying 21 bucks, you're actually making a loss. So in this case, I'm going to be selling this for like $49, guys, okay? Which is a pretty sweet price for a hoodie, because think about it. This is not just a hoodie, but it's actually a hoodie with your unique designs. There's hoodies out here being sold for hundreds and hundreds of dollars because of the branding, okay? So now we have that the 49 bucks is basically giving us an average estimation of how much profit we can make per sale of the products, which is just super, super amazing. And one thing I love about Etsy is the fact that it actually attracts more of premium buyers as opposed to platforms like Amazon, where people go and they actually buy based on prices because there's a lot of competition there. People go on Etsy because, they actually want that customization. And this is why print on demand dropshipping works so well on Etsy. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to submit to the store, and we're going to give it a few seconds, and you will see this product being listed on my Etsy store, guys. I don't have to go on Etsy and manually add this product, and I don't have to go back to Printful to manually fulfill this orders. Everything now becomes autopilot money, guys. And guys, that's me back in my Etsy account a few seconds later, and you can see that product is already automatically listed there, ready for me to publish. Because every time you publish on Etsy, you are charged a 20-cent fee. So you actually have to go back to Etsy and manually hit that publish. It's not going to automatically publish your listing on the Etsy platform. So you actually have to go there and approve that listing, okay? As you can see, this is pretty much what your product will look like when it goes live. When you hit that publish, you're going to have your Printful products, guys, listed on your Etsy store. All the integrations are here already, so you don't have to go out there and start trying to manually list products on Etsy, which can save you a ton of time as well. And every time somebody comes on my Etsy store and purchases this 49 bucks hoodie, guess what? Printful are going to automatically fulfill and ship that product out directly to my customer whilst I sit back and keep my profit. And as you can see with this product, I'm making about 23, 24 pounds profit out of it, and I don't have to touch no inventory. I don't have to buy anything in bulk. I don't have to handle no fulfillment. I can be out here spending time with my kids whilst everything is being done on autopilot. Another way you can promote your products, of course, like I mentioned, is using Pinterest. So again, Pinterest is an amazing visual platform. People come here to get things like ideas, on what to wear, which just makes it amazing for selling your merch and selling your products. As you can see, there's different ways you can create content here. It can just be you wearing your product with a picture. It can be other models just modeling your products. It can be flat lays of what the products look like. It can even be a style with me, right? Just showcasing how to style your hoodies, your sweatshirt. That's something I've actually done quite a lot in the past as well with my own products. I create a short video just sharing 3 ways to style, the product. I'm just giving that information will actually help someone make a buying decision, okay? And you can see there's other things like stock images of models, flat lays. What I've realized with print on demand is flat lays tend to work so well because remember, you are selling the design. So you want to give people an up close and personal look of the design they're purchasing. They're not just purchasing the hoodie, they're purchasing that graphic design on the hoodie, which is why I strongly recommend that you guys invest in Creative Fabrica, because you're going to get access to amazing designs that will attract people to purchase your products. Again, link in my bio. As you can see, you can get a ton of inspiration here just seeing what others are doing. For example, I'm in the motherhood niche, so I've just done a search on Pinterest for mama sweatshirt, and you can see it's bringing up a ton of different ideas of different types of content that you can create to promote and market your products. Okay, so again, Pinterest is amazing because it is a search engine, which means when people go on the internet looking for mama t-shirts, motherhood t-shirts, anything mom related, clothing, fashion, it will start recommending your products to those people who are already actively in need of your product.